Yeah.
Ah, new Tesla. Really? The new Tesla.
There we go, it opens good.
The new Tesla.
This is
New Tesla. Yay!
this is one's for me.
Oh.
I should use gloves, but I don't even care. Oh, duster?
That wasn't a duster, that was someone's
Underwood? No! Hey guys, Rich with Rich Rebuilds here with another update on my flooded Tesla Model S build project. Now, the last we left off, I pulled the motor and various other components to find out they were all trash and there wasn't really much I could save as a result of the flood. If you want to find out more about this car, where I got it, why I got it, and how much I paid for it, please check out the other videos in the Angela playlist on my YouTube channel. Now, today, Lee and I are going to remove all the trash out of the car to get a clean slate to see if we could figure out how to get rid of all the mold. Keep in mind this car's underwater for 10 whole days, so moisture worked its way into every crack and crevice of this vehicle. So it's up to us to get rid of it all. First, we're going to remove all the trash out of the car. We're going to remove their subwoofer and a few other modules that we may have missed, and also all the foam sound deadening that carries lots of moisture. Then we're going to give the car a good scrub, as well as use the ozone machine to get rid of any extra contaminants. Let's get this show on the road, shall we? You think there's water in the sub? There's gotta be water in the sub.
probably a couple dead goldfish too.
Dead goldfish. What do you think of these, Lee? You think these are good? These connectors? Any corrosion in there?
I don't know, give it a try, man.
It's pretty damn good. Doesn't look bad. This big ass one right here. Not bad either.
No green. What about inside there?
Let me see. We'll take that out and we'll see. And these are for the, this is the power liftgate module. So that controls like this right here.
Mercedes-Benz uses almost the exact same ones.
Really?
They are. A lot in their ML series. Yeah, you forgot your retirement fund right here.
Where is it? Is it the money that I got?
Oh, no, look.
Nice.
There's your 401.
You're not even kidding. Not even kidding. Frog racing?
Yeah, no joke.
So you caught the frogs just to do what with them? Just to eat them or just race them?
Race them.
Let's see. What do you think, Lee? What? There's no water in this thing.
Doesn't sound like it.
You can see. Look at the water line. Penny. Is this the HEPA filter you were talking about?
Yeah, there's a HEPA filter right in there. Oh, yeah.
Right. You see how I cut the seat harnesses off?
Yeah, and you save the connectors. Smart.
Yeah.
Just in case you buy new seats and they've done this.
Exactly, just in case.
Ooh, 401k.
Nice.
You can add so much more insulation with very little weight.
I know.
Is that a battery cover?
Yep.
That's for the newer one, right?
Yes. That's for the one that's out there right now.
Right, okay. I was just... Anything I'm saving?
What do you think's in here, Lee?
Registration, a gold watch.
Cool, that'd be awesome.
A Cartier gold watch at that.
What? Huh. I should use gloves, but I don't even care. Oh, duster?
That wasn't a duster, that was someone's
Underwood? No! Oh, okay, good. It's like a it's like
Oh,
a
it did look like underwear for a second.
I was like, oh my god. Electronics cloth. Insurance card. He has a Highlander too, apparently. Toyota Highlander. He's not about the mission and the cause. He should have 2 EVs. Jesus Christ.
Nothing.
Otherwise, this thing is junk. Nothing good.
Now, how do you crack that open, just so other people know?
Oh yeah, so closed glove box, snap-on flathead, jam firmly in between the crease. Look at this. That actually separates from the main piece.
Look at the mechanism so I can see how the mechanism works.
Yeah. You can see how these two things squeeze together here like that. That's how I do the glove box. That's how it's done. So you could also peel that front part off, and you could glue it back together if you want. They heated the shit out of that. Look how burnt that is. Wow. Just like that. Boop.
Ultrasonic welding.
And then yeah, that's it.
This stuff is actually an industrial cleaner. I'm going to use it straight. I'll give you, water it down, but it's not going to hurt anything with the car. I'm going to spill some, so let's spill it inside the car.
Mm-hmm.
Did you spill some? Or did I actually measure right?
I think you're almost there, man.
Ooh, ooh.
Oh, just kidding.
You got a sock?
Have a sock? Yeah. Have a sock, baby.
So this stuff, if you leave it on your skin for like a half an hour,
Yeah, you'll die?
no. It feels like you left a lemon like on a slight open cut, so it has an acidic base slightly to it.
Yep.
So if you have sensitive skin, it's like almost like any other chemical out there. But it doesn't hurt. It doesn't do anything. I've used it thousands of times.
Yeah, don't worry about it. I don't think we could make it much worse than it is now, Lee. So you don't have two guns. We could go to town on this thing.
I got tons of them. But all the dirt on your skin will come right off.
Oh, awesome.
It takes everything. It kills the mold. It kills everything.
No, this stuff is coming right off, man.
Very little scrubbing. It's like you agitate it just a little bit and it's good. Made by a company, Zep.
Oh yeah, I know Zep.
But so if you can buy this stuff at Home Depot, but it's not the same concentrate. It's not the same.
Oh, this is industrial grade, probably, right?
It is. The stuff at Home Depot is not the same strength.
Dude, these drain plugs. It's like Tesla's like they knew. I mean, I know it's common in most cars, but still.
Yeah, there's more than average.
Probably because the floor is so flat. They figure, you know what, like water will just sit there and like just.
It really would. What happens if snow and everything else gets in there from cold climates and people are not paying attention? A lot of stuff that gets underneath those carpets.
Right. We had that head before.
Before, when you were originally doing it, we didn't have that.
Oh, we didn't? Oh,
It was
okay.
actually physically rotating. And then all this stuff coming right off. Everything came right off.
Yep.
Even the mold painting.
I see it, yeah. That is awesome.
Well, some of the mold has grown. There's that nasty stuff
See
right
that? Yeah.
there.
You get that off, you think? Oh wait, bird shit.
Oh, we're gonna have to take care of that.
Remediated. The inside looks really, 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 really good. And the door gap. That's clean.
Get the air moving inside.
Okay. Oh yeah, look at that little puddle over there, huh? Oh yeah. Okay, so we're fast forwarding the clock a few days here. Lee and I washed the car a couple more times and the car had had a chance to dry. Now my kids are going to see the car for the first time so I could get their opinion on it.
Tesla.
Yeah. You can't really tell, can you?
I need a new Tesla. Really?
Oh, is the hatch open?
Do we need a new Tesla?
There we go, it opens good.
Do we need a new Tesla?
This is it.
Why do we need a new Tesla? Yay!
This is one's for me.
Oh. Woo! Smells gross.
It smells gross? What do you guys think?
Good.
You want to live here forever?
Yeah. Look at all these rainbow wires.
So now we're going to use the ozone machine that I picked up from Amazon. The link to the machine is in the description below, but an ozone machine is designed to kill mold, mildew, and remove all mold smells. So let's just see if this thing works. Here's the instruction manual. I'm not going to read it. It's too damn long. It's over 12 pages. But I heard you have to put it inside of an enclosed car, but leave some vents so the stale air can escape. So I'll just use the vent holes at the bottom of the car. So I put the machine in the car for about 15 minutes, and here's the end result. Tell me how it smells now. You ready?
It smells good.
Go ahead. Go in. How does it smell now?
It smells like grape.
Okay, you're supposed to say it smells better. Hold on, I gotta shut it off now. Hold on.
Oh, is it here?
Guys, we're supposed to start over, and you gotta say it smells better. All right, ready? I'm gonna show you about show business, okay? Like so now. So now you gotta pretend. Listen, ready? Pretend to start. And when we go in the car, you gotta say, "Oh my gosh, it smells so good in here." What are we gonna say? No. When you get in the car, what are you gonna say? Oh my gosh,
it smells so good in here.
But
Oh my gosh, it smells so good in here.
Good. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, guys, try it again. You gotta get in first, Henry.
Gosh, it smells so good in here. It smells
Guys.
like syrup.
Yeah, apparently the car still smells bad, but I read the manual and I had to leave the machine on for longer. Also, I have to let the car air out for 2 to 3 hours after using the ozone machine. So needless to say, it was a bust. The car just ended up smelling like an over-chlorinated swimming pool. Well, either way, this was a good lesson learned because I have to remove the heating and cooling system of the car anyways, as there could be standing water hiding somewhere in that unit. But we'll get to that in a different episode, and we'll also try the ozone machine again for round 2. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.